If you have a light that is not clear, this is one of the procedures. You see, I've taped it. And I'm going to start the work right now. I will show you how it looks after. This is the machine to clean it, and this is the sandpapers to clean it, and I'll show you how it looks after the job. Hello guys, I believe you can see work is in progress. You see the difference of this one. Watch the difference. You see this one, the way it's shining, and this one, I haven't done this one, so you can now note the difference. I haven't even finished. By the time I finish this one, I'll show you. But look at this one, I haven't touched this side, and this is the side that I'm currently working on. You see, I'll remove this light so that it doesn't point too much. You can see. Can you not see? Watch the difference between this and this. And I haven't even finished this. By the time I'm done with this, it will look brighter than this. So I'm currently doing this job. Now it's the time to apply the polish. This polish. This is the polish I'm going to apply. You see it? This particular one. That's the polish to apply right now. And then you're going to see the difference. So when I'm done, I'll show you the difference between this and this. So you don't need to buy a new light. All you have to do is, you see, I'm trying to see if I can get a place to hang my phone so you can see. But I'm trying to lose it right away. This pasta. So you see, I've opened it now, and I'm going to apply it on this. I'm applying this pasta, and then by the time I finish shining it, there is no need going to buy another light because this one is not shining. But you see how I've been going? It is stage by stage. Even the sandpapers, you can see the sandpapers that I've used. You see, I started with this, the sandpaper. I started with this 800, and then you have 1000, and then you have 1200, and then 1500, and then this 2000, and then I just finished using I've used 2005. I just finished using 3000, which is this one. This is 3000, the last one I used. And then now, what I have to use is this. I'm going to take this brush. You see this foam? Look at what I'm doing. I don't have anybody to do the videoing for me, so it's a technical job. Look at it. This foam, I attach it here, and I'm going to rotate. When I'm done, I'll show you how it came out. Look at it now. So you can actually see the job that I'm doing here. So you can now see my lights has turned to a brand new one. new one now. I have to clean it, and then you see. You don't need to go buy another light. Can you now see I have a new light? I have a brand new light. A new one. You can see. Look at this one and look at this. Can you now see the difference between this? Look at this, watch it, and this. You see the difference? This and this. Okay, let me remove this light that is pointing on this one so you don't think it's because of the light. You see? It's even better now. New. And I'm going to work on this one right now. And like I said, the numbers you're going to use for the sandpapers are, you start with 800, 1000, and look at this, 1200, 1500, 2000, 2500, 3000, and then you apply the cream, and then it comes out like this.